Deep in the heart of Yakima Training Center, members of the Washington National Guard are busy honing their craft as Tactical Air Control Party members, or TACP. These airmen serve as a critical link between the aircraft flying overhead and the soldiers on the battlefield, bringing overwhelming firepower that can change the tide of battle.
A TACP supports ground forces, whether it be Army infantry, armor, Ranger battalion, or a special forces team. We provide that asset and coordination and detailed execution of close air support in support of that coalition force on the ground.
These airmen joined forces with active Army aviators, National Guard infantrymen, and National Guard Special Forces to help simulate the joint environments in which they typically operate. Today, their mission is to assault this village and capture a high-valued individual, or HVI. They are fully prepared for the task at hand, but the path to accomplishing that mission is paved with resistance and conflict.
Yeah, and looks like some shrapnel. Minor shrapnel, he's got some arterial bleeding right leg.
One of the team members took enemy fire and suffered multiple wounds. The team's medic immediately went to work.
Now halfway down the draw, there was a simulated casualty, and so we had to move back up to our defensive position, move that casualty back up to a secure HLZ where a medevac helicopter could pull him out.
This type of fast-paced, real-world joint training is precisely what these guardsmen need to sharpen their skills.
From north to south through the village, keep their heads down while we push
To have an opportunity like this to be able to work with the Army hand in hand and not just tabletop notional planning and execution, this is where it really comes together. You know, this is where the Army can see our capability, and this is where we can really show our true potential to help coalition forces on the ground.
For the Washington National Guard, I'm Staff Sergeant Jason Kreis.